Hey everyone, welcome back. I recently got Fevikwik Advanced Adhesive. So let's see its review and demo. This one is 3 gram adhesive with an MRP of 75. 3 gram for 75, my god. And it has a 12 months of shelf life and you can use it within 45 days after opening. So this one is a cyanocrylate based adhesive that is waterproof and shockproof, and it instantly sticks. So don't touch it on your skin, but if gets on by mistake, remove it with the nail polish remover. And it's a seal pack. When you tighten the cap, the holes open automatically. No need to make a hole separately. It comes with a precise nozzle, and it can work on plastic, metal, wood, rubber. And my tripod, this top part broke and it has rubber on it, so we are going to try it on this. First clean the surface, then apply the glue. This glue is like a transparent gel, no watery substance. It's like a gel, it doesn't spill off. And after use, first I'll tighten the cap, otherwise it will dry out. So now I have glued it and hold it for 20-25 seconds. I won't use this tripod today. I'll use it tomorrow and see if it holds properly. Wow, it stuck so well. I didn't have to buy a new tripod, saved my money. So for broken toys, shoes, handle, it works great on plastic to plastic, metal and rubber. And you can use it on flexible surfaces, porous surfaces. It works on both. Overall, a reliable quick fix glue for small household repair. Definitely worth trying. Give it a try and thank you for watching. Bye bye.